I blindfolded my eyes to teach you how to tie quick head wrap gele.
Dead baby. What?
Hello everyone. Hello people. Welcome to my channel. This is Deck Beauty. This is another interesting quick head wrap tutorial. Yes, it's a challenge. I blindfolded my eye with a dark material. My people, Muna focus on the eye. And let's see what we are going to achieve. I know they see anything at all. I closed my two eyes. What the reason I made this video is for you to know that it's just in your mind. Once you know what you are doing, you see what I'm doing now. I fold the material into two. Then the measurement, I measure it equal 50-50. Now, see, I want to trace the forehead, the face. Okay. So focus. You see, me with my eyes closed. Let's see what I am going to achieve. So she was telling me that she want to take off her earring, but I don't know what is going on there. I want to trace her face. You see the way I place it on her head. Then I make sure it's very flat and place it on top the ear. Okay, my people. You see, I use my hand to make sure I control from the ear part, from this side to the other side, to be sure that front is covered and flat. Now, this is the back. This is the back. So, just focus and concentrate. I cross it because the measurement is 50-50. My people, last time I do this challenge was 2 years ago. No, 3 years ago during the COVID. During the COVID, I saw this challenge on Instagram, Blindfolded Gele. I said I will take the challenge. So this time, I said, let me do it again. So that is what we are doing now. In case today is the first time you come across my video, my name is Deck Beauty. I base in United Kingdom, London. Yeah, on my channel, we dey teach my fellow women how to operation do it yourself and how to learn handwork so that you can make money. You can make money with your handwork and you can make money with your videos on social media. Yes, my people, you see the way I twist it is because I don't want to cover the view, the camera. I'm just trying to position myself so that you can see it proper. This cloth I use, they tell me to fold it and fold that. This my cloth I used to cover the eye. They said I have to use black one and I will fold it proper for them to believe that I can't see proper. I tell her to hold the both side for me in case. That is the normal way we normally do, even if my eyes are open. Yes, my people, just see what we are going to achieve. I know that some people already have the idea of the style. I don't want to mention the name of the style. For my followers, I know. So, let me continue the introduction. My people, I base in United Kingdom. We are into makeup. You can book me for your event. They do makeup. We do gele, different style. Go to my Instagram. You will see all my job at Deck Beauty is the name of my Instagram. I do photo shoot as well. We do photo shoot. Book me for your photo shoot, your birthday photo shoot, family photo shoot. Yes, and I'm available to travel. I'm based in United Kingdom, but I'm available to travel worldwide, my people. I not get small baby for hand again. My children don't grow. My last born very soon at 9 years. So thank you everyone. Una see the way. Now, I know that many people already have like the idea of what we are going to create because on the thumbnail, it's not there. Okay, you see, I note it. I use one part, the inner part. You see what I am doing with my eyes closed. Guys, my eyes are closed. This is what we call blindfolded. I close my eye. I tie the gele. This is what is going on there now. The reason I'd say I would show you this video again, you have your eyes open, the two open, your eyes is there. I encourage you, in case you want to become gele artist, gele stylist, yes, it's very easy. What you need is practice. It's very easy. The only thing you need, you put video, you watch video, you practice, you practice, you practice. You can practice with mannequin head in case some people said they don't have anybody to practice with. Yeah, this my beautiful auntie, this my woman of God, they came to visit us. In fact, anytime she is around me, I always beg her, and in fact, she's a darling, she's a mother that understand content. Please, I tell her I want to do challenge. She said, okay. She's available for me. I tied this one. I will tie another style as well. Please, I want you to help me to follow her on our YouTube channel, Rosie O Kitchen. I will write the name there now. Rosie O Kitchen. Please follow her on our YouTube channel and Facebook. She's into cooking and eating. In fact, two of us do one challenge. I uploaded it on my Facebook yesterday. Challenge speed food eating challenge. I was the winner. I win her. In fact, my mom, maybe I will flash it so that you can see this food challenge we do. But if you want to watch the video, go to my Facebook page. The video is there. Go and watch it. Go and see the way I use my hand to pack out the food. Finish am, because the money we involve for the challenge, daddy was with her, my husband was with me. They bring out money. They say first to finish the food, carry all the money. I throw away my spoon. So go and watch the video. The video is there. Please don't forget to subscribe to her YouTube channel. The name is Rosie O Kitchen. Okay, my people, we are still on the matter of blindfold. You see, I cover my eye. I just use my hand, they observe. You see, as you can see, this is the final. If you want to learn more Gele on yourself, how to achieve it, go to my YouTube. I have more than 600 videos. And you can come to my live stream when I'm on live. That is when I teach proper with more explanation. We dey teach how to do makeup, simple makeup, loud makeup, different style of Gele. We dey do okuku. We dey do everything. Go to my Instagram. Thank you. See you on my next video. My people, please drop your comment down below for me if I try. Give me if it's 1/10, 2/10. This one are blindfolded Gele. See you on my next video. Bye.